everybody, welcome back to the Cape Coral Life. My name is Marc Ammons. I'm a real estate agent down here in Southwest Florida, and on this channel I take you around with me and my family all over the state of Florida as we do all the fun things there are to do in the Sunshine State, and we bring you along with us. So today we've got a fun little trip leaving from Cape Coral, Florida, and heading down to Lovers Key State Park. It's going to be about an hour trip on the jet ski. It's a mid-February day and we've got high 80-degree weather. I think it's going to be about 87 today, so it's going to be a beautiful day for it. We're looking forward to taking you along and showing you Lovers Key, so stick around. We should have a really good time. All right, so we just got the jet ski in the water here. We are at the Yacht Club boat ramp today. Beach is busy, and this is actually going to get shut down starting in April, where they're going to start doing a huge $60 million renovation to it. So this may be the last time we get to put in here. Should be a fun day. Let's get started. All right, so we are on the water. I've got my better half, Lindsay, here with me today. So we are just leaving out of the Yacht Club. You can see the beach behind us. Plenty of people out enjoying themselves. Again, the Yacht Club is the only beach that we actually have here in Cape Coral, and they're getting ready to start about a 2-year project. They're going to enlarge the beach, move the boat ramps, do a lot of stuff to it. So it'll be a great little facility when it's all done, but it's going to be out of commission for the next probably 2 years. Heading down to Lovers Key State Park. Should have a lot of fun, so let's get going. All right, so the least fun part of this trip is, so we're right by Cape Harbor right now, and there is a no wake zone that's pretty lengthy. We're in a long procession of boats right now, waiting to get through this thing, but it's a beautiful day, so it's kind of nice out here cruising. It's a nice opportunity to look around, kind of see some of the scenery that's around here, so we'll make the most of it. Alright, so we are coming up on our end of our no wake zone. We've got our resume normal operation, which means full speed ahead, so we can pick up a little speed and get down to Lovers Key. All right, guys, so we are just pulling up to Lovers Key. There's a lot of people closer to the area where the parking lot is. So there's a parking lot, there's a little bridge that you walk over to get to the actual beach portion. It's gonna be coming up behind us about right there. So a lot of people down there. But since it's a pretty big beach, we're gonna head down to the kind of the north side, closer towards Estero Island, and find a good place to anchor this thing off and start walking around and checking it out. We haven't been here before, so this is actually gonna be our first time to Lovers Key, so we're excited to check it out and see if it's worth bringing the kids to. All right, we'll see you on shore. first impressions of the beach, guys, this place is amazing. I'd always heard really good things about it, but like I said, it's about an hour, 50 minutes to an hour away from where we live in Cape Coral, and we just hadn't made the trip down here. There's so many other good beaches within an hour. That's where we typically end up going, so we haven't made it down here, but it was such a beautiful day. We wanted to try something a little bit different, so that's why we decided to get on the ski, head down here and see what it was all about before we decide to pack up all the kids and bring them down. But after being here and seeing this place, we will definitely be bringing the kids, either driving them down or taking the boat down to get them over here. Absolutely great time. If you're in the area, this is definitely going to be a must-do. And hey, if coming places like this seems like something that you'd like to do in your life and you're thinking about moving down here to Southwest Florida, give me a call. Again, I am a licensed realtor down here in Florida, specifically in the Southwest Florida area. But no matter where you're moving in the state, reach out to me. I'm happy to point you in the direction of a good realtor in your area. So if you'd like to get in contact with me, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'll also put a little QR code right here on the screen that if you're watching this on a TV, tablet, or phone, you can just scan with the camera app on your phone, and that'll let you set up a 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call directly with me, so we can talk about your needs and find the best house for you down here in Southwest Florida. All right, so we got dinner for tonight. No, this is a little small guy, but the first catch of the day, so we're gonna send him back on his way, but at least we're catching something. Bye, little buddy. So one of the things we found here on Lover's Key is that the sand is a lot softer and whiter than a lot of the beaches that we go to, whether that's Sanibel, Captiva, Cayo Costa. A lot of the other beaches that we like to go to tend to have a lot more shells on them, and the sand isn't as soft. This is beautiful white sand. The water today is a Caribbean emerald green blue. It's absolutely gorgeous out here today. Nice little breeze. Like I said, I think it's mid 80s right now. It's gonna get a little bit hotter later in the day, but beautiful day to be out here. Really impressed with this beach. There's a lot of people that are here, but they're all closer to where the parking area is. So if you're coming here by boat, that's gonna be a little bit easier to get farther away from the crowds. But if you are parking here, it's a lot of beach. So if you don't mind walking a little bit, you will probably be able to find a spot that is not really close to anybody. All right, guys, so sadly we had to pack it all back up on the jet ski and we got to head back. It's late afternoon now, so we got to go pick up the kiddos. So we are heading back to Cape Coral, but we had an amazing time here for our first time to Lover's Key. It was absolutely amazing. We have a couple beaches that we really like to go to, and we like to go to them because we know that they're good. So anytime you try somewhere different, you never really know what to expect, and you kind of, you know, it can potentially be disappointed. We were not disappointed at all today. Amazing beach, amazing place to visit. So if you're in the Southwest Florida area and you're looking for a great beach to check out Lover's Key State Park. Absolutely amazing. So we're gonna head home, and we'll see you guys back in Cape Coral. Hey folks, that's going to wrap it up for us today here at Lover's Key State Park. We had an absolutely phenomenal time here. The weather was absolutely perfect. It's mid-February, mid to upper 80s, just absolutely gorgeous. This water, this Caribbean emerald green water is absolutely to die for. Beautiful sand, not crowded, on one of the prettiest days we've had in a while. So yeah, if you're looking for a great spot to check out down here in Southwest Florida in the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Estero, Bonita Springs area, I highly recommend it. We'll be back here again for sure. So until next time, as always, thanks for tuning in. Be well. I'll see you on the next one.